So GAT, Quant, Rapid Revision Series of past year questions, part 2. Without wasting even a single moment, let's discuss the questions for today. The first one is, the average of 12 numbers is 15 and the average of the first two numbers is 14. What is the average of the remaining numbers? Again, pause the video, try to solve the question first. So average, or rather mean, is sum of the numbers divided by total numbers. This is the basic formula of arithmetic mean or average. We have 12 numbers, right? And the average of them is 15. So let's say sum of those 12 numbers. Sum of those 12 numbers is S. You divide by 12, you get average, and average is 15. This is the first condition. Average of 12 numbers is 15. So sum of the numbers divided by numbers is equal to average. So the sum of the 12 numbers becomes 15 into 12, which is 180. This is the first step. The average of first two numbers is 14. The average of first two numbers is 14. So first two numbers average is 14. That means their sum will be 14 into 2, 28. We don't know individual numbers. We don't need them. The sum of the first two numbers is 28 because the average of the first two numbers is 14. So sum of first two numbers is 14 into 2, 28. Right? Now, out of 12, the remaining numbers are 10. And the sum of the remaining numbers will be 180 minus 28. 180 minus 28. Now 180 minus 20 is 160 and 160 minus 8 is 152. So the sum of the remaining 10 numbers is 152. And their average would be 152 by 10, which is 15.2, which is the second option. 15.2 is the correct answer. Clear? Moving on to the next question. The ratio of ages of two boys is 3:7. So let's say the present age of these two boys is 3x and 7x, since their ratio is 3:7. After 2 years, we'll add 2 to each of the individual ages. The ratio of their ages will become 5:9. So after 2 years, the first boy's age will be 3x plus 2. The second boy's age will be 7x plus 2, and their ratio will become now 5:9. The ratio of their ages after 10 years. So this is the present age. That means we need to find the present age and then add 10 to it to find the ratio of their ages after 10 years. So let's cross multiply. 9 3s are 27x plus 9 2s are 18. This is 7x into 5 is 35x plus 5 2s are 10. 35x minus 27x. This will be 8x, and 18 minus 10 is 8. So x is equal to 1. 8 by 8. X is equal to 1. So their present age is 3 into 1, which is 3, 7 into 1, which is 7. After 10 years, their ages would be 13 and 17. So the ratio would be 13:17, and the option 4th will be the correct answer. Clear? Another shortcut method I will discuss. If you do not understand the shortcut, no issues. This is also very, very easy. It won't take much of time. But let us just that also. So I am erasing it. If you want to see it, obviously you can revise and see. Okay. Now the ratio of the ages of two boys is 3:7. Two boys, ratio of their present ages is 3:7. Now if I am 30 years old, you are 20 years old, our difference is 10 years. Let's say my present age is 30, your present age is 20. The difference is 10 years. After 10 years, my age will be 40. After 10 years, your age will be 30. The difference will again be same. Which means the difference between my age and your age will remain same. Whether it was 10 years ago or 10 years hence or 20 years hence. Okay? The present age ratio of two boys is 3:7. After 2 years, the ratio of their ages becomes 5:9. Now, first and foremost, you have to see the difference. What is the difference over here in the first ratio? 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3, which is 4. What is the difference in the second ratio, 5:9? 9 minus 5, 4. It is same. Incidentally, it is same. If it would not have been same, first you have to make it same, right? But it is same incidentally. Now, after 2 years, the ratio becomes, and if you see, the difference between 3 and 5 is also 2. Condition is after 2 years, their ratio of the ages becomes 5:9. Also 3 and 5 and 7 and 9, the difference is also 2. So all the conditions are met, which means it is very easy now. The present ages are definitely 3 and 7 because 3 plus 2 is 5 and 7 plus 2 is 9. And after 10 years, their ages will be 13 and 17, and this will be the ratio, and that will be the final answer. You don't need to suppose any variable as x or y. Clear? Moving on. If the median of x by 5, x by 4, x by 2 and x by 3 is 8, where x is a positive number, then the value of x will be. Now what is a median? Median is a mid value when the numbers are arranged either in ascending order or descending order. If the numbers are odd, there will be one mid value. If the numbers are even, there will be two mid values, and then you will get the arithmetic mean of those two values. So for example, let's say numbers are 5 and they are in increasing order. There will be one mid value, and that will be the median. Let's say there are 6 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now there are even numbers. We'll have two mid values, 3 and 4. The median of this will be the arithmetic mean, which is 3 plus 4 by 2, which is 3.5 will be the median. This is the concept, right? That means first and foremost, we'll have to arrange these numbers in either increasing order or decreasing order. ठीक है? Now सबसे छोटा कौन सा है? Let's arrange them in increasing order. Obviously सबसे छोटा है x by 5, then x by 4, then x by 3, then x by 2, and finally x. So x by 5, then we have x by 4, x by 3, x by 2, and finally x. So numbers are arranged in the increasing order since x is also positive. तो ये increasing order है. 5 numbers है, there will be one mid value which is x by 3, and this is the median. So x by 3 is the median, and this median is given as 8. So value of x will be 8 into 3, 24, and this would be our correct answer, which is the first option. ठीक है? ओके, पढ़ते रहिए और बढ़ते रहिए. ऑल द बेस्ट. कीप ऑन लर्निंग, कीप ऑन ग्रोइंग. थैंक यू.